is still a price. Our world is changing, but in order to prepare our children in this new world is to change how to educate them. More than 3% of the Philippine population is under the poverty line. And this poverty line divides the Filipinos into two. The private and public. In terms of education, it divides Filipinos into two, private and public. But poor children usually enroll in public schools. And these poor children has access in low, and according to Ibon,